You ever wonder why people walk out of your life? Yeah, I see it in your eyes. You feel abandoned. You think they just got tired of you, like you were some broken thing they tossed out when they were done. But let me tell you, kid, it's not about you. It's about them. You're standing here thinking God's got it out for you, that maybe you weren't enough, that maybe you're not worthy of love, not worthy of staying power. But here's the truth. God saw what you couldn't see. He saw what was lurking behind their smiles and what their intentions truly were. He removed them from your life because he knew that they would only hold you back, that they would only weigh you down. Think about it for a moment. Every person who has left your life, every friendship that has faded, every love that has slipped away was not a failure on your part. It was God's grace working behind the scenes. He was clearing the path, making room for the people who would lift you up, who would cherish you, who would see you for the incredible person you are. It may not feel like that now. It may feel painful, and the scars of loss can run deep, but every closed door is a step toward a new opportunity. Every goodbye is a prelude to a new hello. When people walk away, they often leave a void, and in that emptiness, it's easy to question your worth. It's easy to spiral into self-doubt and to wonder what you did wrong. Did I say something stupid? Did I not give enough? Did I scare them away? You start to internalize their departure as a reflection of your inadequacies. But what if I told you that their exit was a blessing? What if I told you that sometimes God has to take people out of our lives so we can find our true selves, so we can grow and flourish without the weight of those who don't appreciate us? Picture a tree. In order to grow tall and strong, it must sometimes shed its leaves and even its branches. This isn't a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. It's nature's way of allowing the tree to channel its energy into growth, to reach for the sky, to deepen its roots. Just like that tree, you must sometimes let go. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting. It means recognizing that life is a journey filled with transitions. It means understanding that some people were meant to come into your life for a season, a reason, but not for a lifetime. You have a purpose that goes beyond what you can see right now. You are being shaped and molded, sometimes through pain and loss, but ultimately through love and new beginnings. God's vision for your life is greater than your understanding. He knows what you need, who you need, and when you need them. It's hard to see this in the moment, but every struggle, every heartbreak is a stepping stone toward the person you're meant to become. We often cling to the familiar, even if it isn't good for us. We hold on to toxic relationships out of fear of loneliness. We stay in jobs that drain our spirit because we're afraid of change. We let the past dictate our future. But God sees the bigger picture. He knows that your destiny is waiting on the other side of that discomfort. He knows that the right people, the right opportunities are just around the corner. But first, you have to make room. So when people walk away, when friends drift apart, when love fades, don't take it as a sign of your failure. Take it as a divine intervention. Embrace the uncertainty. Embrace the unknown. You're being prepared for something far greater than what you can imagine. God is aligning your life with His plans, and sometimes that requires a shaking up of your circumstances. Sometimes it requires removing people who are not meant to be a part of your story. You might be standing at the edge of a cliff, looking down into the abyss of uncertainty. You feel the weight of what you've lost pressing down on you, and it's suffocating. But trust me when I say this, the leap into that abyss is where your wings will grow. The very act of letting go, of trusting that God has your back, is what will propel you into the life you were meant to lead. Remember, not everyone who comes into your life is meant to stay. Some are there to teach you, to guide you, to show you what you deserve. Others are there to remind you of what you don't want. It's all part of your growth. The lessons may come wrapped in pain, but they're essential to your evolution. They're the catalyst that drives you toward your true self. God knows this, and that's why He's orchestrating your life in ways you may not yet understand. So take a deep breath. Let it out slowly. Feel the weight of those past relationships lift, even if just a little. Allow yourself the space to grieve what was lost, but don't linger too long. Don't get stuck in that cycle of regret and self-blame. Instead, open your heart to the possibilities that lie ahead. Understand that with every person who exits your life, there's an opportunity for someone or something new to enter. There's a chance to grow, to evolve, and to embrace the beautiful potential that lies within you. When you're feeling low, remind yourself that you are not defined by the people who choose to walk away. You are defined by your resilience, your strength, your ability to rise above the chaos. You are a warrior, a survivor. You possess a spirit that cannot be broken, and it is in the face of adversity that you will discover your true power. Let that power shine through. As you move forward, seek the people who uplift you, who inspire you, who challenge you to be better. Surround yourself with those who see your worth and never settle for anything less than what you deserve. You are worthy of love that doesn't waver, friendships that stand the test of time, and opportunities that set your soul on fire. God is waiting to bless you, to bring the right people into your life, but first, you have to believe you're worth it. So let the past go. Let it fall away like leaves in the wind. Embrace the uncertainty and trust in God's plan for you. You are being prepared for greatness, and sometimes that means experiencing the pain of loss. But in the end, it will all make sense. You will see the beauty in the journey, the lessons learned, and the strength gained. God saw what you couldn't, so He removed them. Trust that. Hold on to that truth and allow yourself to step boldly into the life that is waiting for you. The best is yet to come. As we draw this journey of understanding to a close, it's essential to reflect on the deeper truths we've explored together. Life is a tapestry woven with moments of joy, sorrow, connection, and separation. Each thread represents the relationships we forge, the experiences we cherish, and yes, the ones we must let go. When people exit our lives, it can feel like a devastating loss, leaving behind a void that's hard to comprehend. But remember, this is not an end. It is a transition, a necessary step in your personal evolution. God's wisdom transcends our limited understanding. He sees the hidden motivations of others, the dynamics at play that we might not recognize. By removing certain individuals from your path, He is safeguarding your spirit, ensuring that you are surrounded by those who truly uplift you and recognize your worth. This divine guidance is often shrouded in discomfort, but it is ultimately a gift, a chance to redirect your life toward a brighter horizon. As you move forward, carry with you the lessons learned from every relationship, every goodbye. Allow these experiences to fortify your sense of self and enhance your ability to discern who is meant to stay and who is not. Cultivate an awareness that embraces change, seeing it not as a threat, but as an opportunity for growth. Understand that every closing door opens a window to new possibilities, to people who align more closely with your purpose and aspirations. Embrace your journey with courage. Trust that each step you take is leading you closer to the life you're meant to live. You are worthy of love, respect, and deep connections that nourish your soul. Don't let the fear of loss prevent you from pursuing the relationships and opportunities that will help you thrive. God is guiding you toward a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment, but it requires your active participation. and belief in your own value. So, as you stand on the precipice of new beginnings, look ahead with hope. Let go of the past with all its pain and lessons and step into the future with an open heart. The journey may be fraught with challenges, but each moment is a building block for your character and resilience. Trust in the process, trust in yourself, and trust in the divine timing of your life. In the end, know that God is with you every step of the way. He is orchestrating the symphony of your life, ensuring that you find your way to the people and experiences that will enrich you. Each loss is a stepping stone towards something greater, and with every removal, you are being prepared for the extraordinary. Embrace the unfolding of your story, for the best is yet to come. You are not alone. You are loved, you are valued, and you are destined for greatness.